So let's go ahead and open up a new browser so we can test the site from Heather's account. We'll log in as an administrator and then masquerade as Heather so that we don't necessarily need to have her password in order to use her account. So I'm going to go ahead and jump to Chrome, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Login. I'm going to go ahead and log in as the admin, and then we're going to go ahead and masquerade as Heather, and we can do this by going to People, by going to Heather's page, and then by clicking Masquerade as Heather at the bottom of the page. Okay, we are now masquerading in Heather's account. Let's go ahead and go to the home page. This is the page that we need to add the image to. Okay, so we don't have any way to edit this content. If we did, we would see an Edit tab at the top. So we need to add some new permissions to the site editor role to enable the editing of pages. Let's go ahead and jump back to the administration browser. And we're still on the people page. Let's go ahead and click on permissions. Now, if you remember, the name of our content type that the page was created as was basic page. So let's go ahead and do a search on this page for basic page. I'm using the browser search down here, and I'm going to type in basic. We get our first result here. I'm going to scroll down to center it. And we have basic page, create new content, edit own content, edit any content, delete own content, and delete any content. So let's go ahead and give her the ability to create her own content and edit and delete it, but only be able to edit existing content. That is, not having the ability to delete pages that have already been created. So let's go ahead and scroll over to the site editor here. We want her to be able to create new content, edit own content, edit any content, delete own content, but not delete any content. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom and click Save Permissions. Now let's jump back to the other browser where we're logged in as Heather and refresh. Okay, we now have the Edit tab at the top of the page. Let's go ahead and click that.